We don't say last. Edo South Senatorial election must surely end up in Abuja. One side is declaring Pastor Sagi Zeyamu as the winner, while the other one is saying Ugbedi Iyama. But one thing this election has proven so far is that you don't undermine the wishes and the aspirations of the people. We saw the videos, even if election is not won on social media, but to an extent, evidence it did there in Japa. Now you are going to see the two videos where the two of them were being declared, and at the same time, Pastor Sagi Zeyamu giving his own acceptance speech. Hear them out.
Following the election in the 77 wards of Edo South Senatorial districts, the collected results have been returned for the aspirants as follows. Senator Nega Imaswe, 5,107 votes. Engineer Omorogi Obede Ihama, 12,560 votes. Pastor Uzaki Izeyamu, 33,387. Pastor Uzaki Izeyamu, having scored the highest number of votes, is hereby declared winner.
Which is made up of 7 local governments. As you have heard from the returning officers for the 7 local governments, the result is as follows. Orebu local government. You have 3 contestants that are contested for this Edo South Senatorial district. For Orebu local government, Ihama has 3,950. Imaswe has 1,974. Iyamu has 986. Ebo, Iyama has 4,226. Imaswe has 2,114. Iyamu has 1,056. For Obia South West, Iyama having 4,263. Imaswe 2,131. Iyamu 1,065. Obia North East, Iyama has 3,540. This Imaswe has 1,759, 2,759, sorry, and then Iyamu has 878. For Improba or half, Iyama has 5,517. Imaswe has 2,759. Iyama has 1,378. Mumude local government, you have 2,626 for Iyama. You have 1,314 for Imaswe, and you have 657 for Iyama. Finally, Union local government, Iyama has 3,058. Imaswe has 1,529, and Iyama has 765. Cumulatively, the total we have is this. For Edo South Senatorial District, you have Iyama with 27,154. Imaswe with 13,580, and Iyamu with 6,785. This is the total reflection of what has transferred from the world level to the local government and being donated at the Edo South Senatorial Coalition Center. With this, Iyama With this, we will await further directives from the National Secretariat. We have done our best by collating. Our mandate is to collate the results and send forth to the National Secretariat. But we know the number of votes that have been casted, and this is a good reflection of what has transpired from the ward level to the local government. Thank you very much.
People wey write Ogbedeyama result, una be try. Una be like people wey go write agreement. Una let work, but una no do freedom. How on earth say Ned Imasuen win Pastor Sagi Ezeyamu? Ned Imasuen who dey do election, wey no even remember say na today na be primary because he believe say hope not dey. Una see anywhere wey una for see Ned Imasuen representative, no talk of say him on his own, he can't even dey cast a vote, dey vote for himself. One thing I'm so happy about this senatorial election is the fact that some of the wrong notions being carried out by the haters of Pastor Sagi Ezeyamu are being corrected. The man na akagom. The man not get loyalist. The man not dey carry people along. But today you saw videos of different persons coming out, trooping out. They will not say those persons are not members of the APC. Now, one thing, Okpewolo, Tenebe, some of those Mokpai, Yafo were Edo South leaders who went to go and beg Pastor Sagi Ezeyamu to step down. One thing they have succeeded in doing, as far as this election is concerned, is the fact that they have exposed themselves that they are not reflecting or rather representing the interest of the goodwill of Edo South. Because if they do, so long as they are the ones out there representing the interest of the Edos, probably the electorates, the people who cast their vote today would have listened to them without even having anybody standing in the line of Pastor Sagi Ezeyamu. Comparing to what is happening in Delta State, Ifeanyi Okowa and Ned Nwoko, you will see a situation whereby just 3 persons will stand for Ned Nwoko, while the rest will stand for Ifeanyi Okowa. But can anybody provide a video where Pastor Sagi Ezeyamu were not having majority? And the worst part of it is that the election, they rig, or rather they called out for Ogbedeyama. You can see how manipulative they are. As mighty as Pastor Sagi Ezeyamu and his votes and his followers, Ned Imasuen, who could not win a ward, we are now also defeating Pastor Sagi Ezeyamu, to know that they already have their plans, that when he comes out as number 3, he won't challenge the result of the number 1. You can see how crafty they are. Now, here Pastor Sagi Ezeyamu, as he gives his own acceptance speech, one thing I'm so happy about that, whatever they want to do in Abuja, they must seek for evidence. How they were able to come out with these results that they called for Ogbedeyama, they had to make provisions, evidence to back it up. Unlike Pastor Sagi Ezeyamu, a meticulous being who is so careful about whatever he's doing. He have all the proof, he have all the evidence, he have all the video recording in all the words. If you want to try, let's see how it goes. I hope and pray that at the end of the day, those jubilating along Airport Road will one day come back again to realize the mistakes so far made by them. But one thing I'm so happy for, APC is doing primary as if maybe they are conducting normal election where they have already emerged a winner. It's shameful that a leader in Edo South politics cannot even, or rather leaders of Edo South politics cannot even put their house in order. And this happens to be one of the rules they have been using, divide and rule tactics.
Ignore them. Hundreds to fight them. They try to disrupt all the areas where we are winning, but we ignore them. And at the end of the day, the truth prevails. The good thing about our result is that we have videos. Everywhere we won, we have videos. So it's not the question about you saying you won or writing fake this thing on paper. Everywhere we know that people record the proceedings. Not one person, not 2 persons. So we have multiple recordings of how we won. And we give the glory to God. APC!